Just take a few deep breaths, very slowly inhaling and equally slowing your breath to exhale. Continuing to breathe slowly and rhythmically in this fashion until your breath relaxes into a rate that works for you. This is the beginning of effortlessness, where everything's easy. Everything is easy. Beginning with your breath, very gently and rhythmically, it just works for you. As you inhale, you're bringing in that rich oxygen to revitalize every one of your cells, stimulating all of your systems, all of your brain waves, and giving you exactly what you need for right this minute. And you don't even have to do a thing to make it happen. Just relax into that breath. Relax into that rhythm. And know that you are bringing to you everything you need effortlessly and easily, even gently. Continuing to breathe and remembering that every exhale is helping you to release whatever doesn't work for you, whatever you don't need, whatever you're complete with. Whether it's carbon dioxide or monoxide from your systems and cells, or maybe it's just other thoughts and beliefs and toxicity within us that is ready to go now. Again, you don't even have to do a thing, it just happens. You're bringing in your relaxation and revitalization, and you're letting go of anything that doesn't relax you. You're letting go of anything that doesn't renew you and restore you, giving you more energy. And you don't have to do a thing but breathe. So just focus on your breath for a moment, bringing in that revitalization and letting go of all other things. Allowing that rhythm of your breath to restore and renew. Easily, gently, effortlessly. And staying in that place as long as you like, long after the music is complete for now.